This is WNBA 3-box PYC number 1. We're an all-inclusive channel. Someone say it for 39. Number 2 is hitting. Take your 2s. We need someone to take the Mojo non-auto for 39.
Kill from the store.
Mojo non-auto, 39. And then let's squeeze out one more full case. Nothing better than glory. Say, don't do this, don't do this.
Yeah.
What do you need? Someone say Mojo non-auto. 39. Guys, we hit 7 Mojos last case. How can we be down to 1 and it's the Mojo for 39? How does that make any sense? Makes absolutely no sense.
No.
Like, I get it if there's like 20 left. There's 1. Who's saying it? Who's saying it?
Cards are out.
Lulu select. Glory's out of control. Glory's out of control. Glory's out of control. We can line it later.
What is that, 4?
We'll line it later. This is what I'll do. Ooh.
Oh, are they
I
old?
might see something. Here, I'll have it in the background the whole day now. Glory's out of control. There it is, Glory. Lulu select. We can random color it. Brother Glory, should we random color it? Someone say Mojo 35 so we can do it. Mojo 35. Let's do it. The packs are out. If we figure out the spots that we can do for the color, we can do a random color. Because some colors are not there. If anyone wants to make me a list, we can do a random color for it. Someone say Mojo 35. Breaking Rob. You can send Blesbucks. Thank you, Breaking Rob.
Thank you.
Good luck, everyone. Thank you for filling it. Let's take our 2s. Jefferson Silver. Red of Bridget Carlton. Blue, rookie, Ivana Jokic. First auto is a red auto of Howard. Ryan Howard. Nice piece for the red auto. Wiggleson. This stuff is loaded. It's loaded, people. Then we have, ooh, Lisa Leslie for the base auto. She's one of the GOATs. She's one of the GOATs, people. Lisa Leslie. She's a GOAT. Better than most of the guys in the NBA. We're going to be honest. Might have a bonus auto. We might have a bonus orange of Smith. Hey, he's a WNBA collector. See, we're learning a lot of things about people. You wouldn't know that who's the collectors. Laisha Clarendon. I think we have a bonus auto. We do. Jonquel Jones on the base auto. named Jones in this industry. Who has the non? Yeah, or we're shipping this, shipping the base and this. People put sets together of this stuff. We have a teal of DeJounte Carrington.
I like the teals.
Teals are to 49. Red of Garantes. The red non-auto. As you can see, the color flies out. Beyond flies. Silver of Lexi. Silver of Chine. Blue, Tiffany Hayes. Yeah, the autos. Black gold. Black gold. I see black gold. That was the ooh I saw. Black gold. Good luck. Corner is like coming up a little. Whatever corner that is. Black gold of Elizabeth Williams. It's coming up a little on the bottom right. It's not terrible. But Elizabeth, 5 of 5 on the black gold. Like I said, guys, the premium color flies out of this stuff. Flies. Red of Carrington. Take your full case. Let's do one more full case. Blue of Lisa Leslie. Yeah, the signatures you're talking about, Glory, right? The signatures, yeah, they care more. Purple of Leah Brown. Red auto, Naneka. Guys, the red auto's there in the next one. It hits like crazy. It hits like crazy.
Yeah, they do have nice autos.
We might have a gold of some sorts now. We have Hall Monitors Gold of Ruth Riley for O'Neal. 2 premium colors in the same box. Kia Nurse Red. Blue, Asia Wilson. She's a star. Orange of Diamond to Shields. There is a redemption. We have Stokes on the purple. Blue auto of Azura Stevens for McWiggleson. Last box, nice break, a lot of premiums. Still have a box left. Number 2 is hitting. Full case is next. Someone just push us through. We have base auto of Ruthy Bolton. Just someone push it through. 6 left on it. And then we'll do 99% NBA the rest of the night. Sydney Colson, red. We can't be this close on our 4th case. Blue of Allie Quigley. You see a mojo from our mojo guy. Breaking Rob. Purple of Diggins. There's a purple of Diggins. We got a nice purple. Here you go, Barry. Orange of Lexi Hall. The next auto is a blue auto. This is live of Skylar Diggins. Yeah, because you just woke up. It's 8 a.m. there. Obviously, you're going to be sleeping. No one just wakes up right away. What are you talking about, Glory? I'm sleepy for the first 3-4 hours when I wake up.
I'm just waking up.
Yeah, what are you talking about? Milik. Red. Blue. Brittany Sykes. Home stretch. Orange of Jackie Young for the orange. And a red of Laisha Clarendon. That's the break. We've seen better. We've seen worse. But we've seen better. Solid break. Solid. Next one's hitting. Someone just give us a full case push. Someone do it. No mojos. Mojos start flying out. No true golds. It's release day for this stuff. Nice Leslie. Nice Diggins. We got a gold and a black gold.